Hey guys, how are you today? I'm going to talk about a smartphone by Samsung which will have 4 cameras on the back, and this is their official tweet about the event 4x Fun Galaxy event October 11, 2018 live on Samsung.com. We don't know anything about this mobile yet aside from the 4 camera setup on the back. We don't know what else it's gonna offer, how much RAM it will have, what processor Samsung's gonna use in it, what will be the screen size of this device, and stuff like that. The only thing we know is that they are going to launch this device on October 11, 2018, which is going to be amazing because it is an amazing breakthrough in the technological world, and I think that it will be in the class of mid-rangers because of a leak that suggested that Samsung will launch a device, a mid-ranger, this year 2018. There will be a mid-ranger that is going to be launched by Samsung, and I think so this is the device that they were planning to launch aside from the Galaxy F, the foldable phone by Samsung, and the first ever foldable phone of the world. I have made a video about it too, so guys, please check it out and give me the feedback in the comment section of that video. And some say that this 4 camera device will be a member of Galaxy A series. Okay guys, that is all for today. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified about my future videos. Peace out. See you in the next one.